Good morning to all of you. Welcome to NTTF. My name is Aditya and I am the trainee of Diploma in Manufacturing Technology from NTTF. On behalf of NTTF, I would like to welcome all of you. So today I am going to present our project presentation video which name is Water Leakage and Heat Detector Alarm, which is done by Fast and Creative Group. So let's start. Now I would like to start my topic, which is product details. So let's start. First, we have created, designed and built an raindrop or water leakage and heat detector alarm, which is a very useful device which will help to save water, save from short circuit, water leakage, chemical leakage and fire hazards. It can perform various places like industries, irrigation field, car and home also. It's mainly detect the water and heat and make an alert by an alarm. It's based on automatically operated system and very less maintenance is required, and also it consumes less power for operation. This is the all details of our project, and now I would like to call Mr. Rashish, who will describe about the concept of this project.
Thank you, Mr. Aditya, to giving me this opportunity. I am Ashish Kumar as an assistant leader in this group. Now I am going to describe about concept of the project. The alarm consists of four main components that include water sensor, heat sensor, 555 timer IC and one buzzer. The whole components placed on a breadboard that you can see, and breadboards are placed in this PVC box because safety purposes. The heart of circuits are rain sensor and heat sensor because this is main components of this project. The project is much helpful for the irrigation field, for home automation. Also, this is much helpful for the industry where we can use hydraulic power. This project help us to detect water leakage. Also, it detects raindrop. It can detect liquid chemical also. So this is much helpful for us, and also this is easy to use, and we can use easily where this is required. Thanks. And next topic I will forward to Mr. Anjay Kumar.
Thanks Ashish giving me this opportunity. Today I am going to present about my topic, PDCA cycle. PDCA cycle is the four-step management method used in business and control continuous improvement process and products. We thought of how to approach our project and decide to follow Daving wheel or PDCA cycle for executing the whole process of doing our project. PDCA cycle is the graphical interpretation of whole process and categorizing into four. First, plan. Second, do. Third, check. Fourth, act. In this PDCA, planning is a structure method and establishing necessary two-step product satisfy the customer. For this, we have an efficient and productive planning According to this plan, execution of the plan, checking must be done after execution of the plan. Finally, the correction process must be done after checking. Now, I am going to hand over Mr. Ashish.
Thank you, Ranjay, giving me opportunity. I am Ashish Kumar and I am team member of this project. I would like to describe our topic. My topic is design of circuit. This is the main design of our project. As you can see here, this is 9-volt battery, this one is buzzer, this one is on-off switch, and this one is LED indicator. All a small component like as a transistor, resistor, and high-five timer IC placed on breadboard. As you can see here, main component of our project is water leakage sensor and heat sensor. When the rain water sensor detects the rain water leakage, chemical leakage, it sends a signal to the high-five timer IC, which is configured to its stable mode. Will then activate the buzzer. Let's see the next topic, planning, estimation and costing. Planning. As we decided the project water leakage and heat detector alarm, which required so many components, we have planned the work project accordingly. We give the project work to each team members accordingly. Project work distributed to among all, as we have 7 members in our group. We give responsibility to everybody. Particularly, as you can see here, project planning hours. But actual time span in our project, as you can see here. Estimation. Estimation is the process of finding an estimate or approximation which is a value that is usable for some purpose, even if input data may be incomplete, uncertain, or unstable. That is non-ethless, usable because it is derived from the best information available. As you can see here, estimation price. Costing. Manufacturing cost is the sum of cost of all resources consumed in the process of making a product. The manufacturing cost is classified into 3 categories: direct material cost, direct labor cost, and manufacturing overhead. As you can see here, costing price. That's all about estimation, planning and costing. And I would like to hand over Mr. Soni.
Thank you, Mr. Ashish Kumar, for this opportunity. Myself, Sonu Kumar Yadav, and I am team member of this project. Now I am going to describe about advantage and disadvantage of our project. First I am telling about advantage. It helps in saving money by switching off the irrigation system when it rains or heat. This saves money by cutting of bills on electricity consumption. Operating principle is very easy and it consumes less power for operation. And second, I am telling about disadvantage. The water leakage and fire heat detector based system function when water falls on the sensor or heat contact with the sensor directly. The cost of overall system increase as additional components are needed along with rain sensor and heat sensor. Thank you. Now I am going to hand over Mr. Nitish Kumar Gupta.
Thanks, Sonu. I am going to describe about the inspection report of our project. First of all, we must know why hardware testing. is important for any project model. Hardware testing is usually more detailed and thorough than verification. Testing is needed to ensure that every component of a system is performing exactly in accordance with the specific local requirements. One important note is here. Physical oil checking required for all capacitor should be discharged before testing. Now I am going to hand over Mr. Aditya Kumar. Thank you.
Now let us see how it works. After on the switch, as you can see, after detecting heat, the alarm starts ringing. An indicator goes on. Same here, when water sensor detects the water leakage, the alarm starts ringing and indicator goes on. As you are aware, water or fire can create a hazardous place on the workplace, and this device can be very helpful to protect from this danger. That's all about the working of the project. Our team proud to express our delight as the project to be embarked upon is successfully finished. Our team is very grateful to the teachers who helped us and also thankful to EPL that gave us a grateful opportunity. Thanks to all.
So I am thankful for having this wonderful opportunity to training with you all. NTTF has given me memories which can never be erased by my heart. The people, the culture, the food, everything is just awesome. During last 3 years, you all have provided me supporting through your encouragement and guidance. I would like to thank to everyone for guiding and supporting me all the time. You are my inspiration yesterday, today, and will be tomorrow. Thank you for every role you have played in my professional life. I am embedded to you. A big thanks to my class teacher, my classmates, and my team member for friendly against in the team and being a pillar in any situation. I must say this team is home away from home. I had never expected to be this much lucky. So by saying thank you for your attention. That's all. Thank you.